Zero-rated and exempt supplies sound like the same thing. No GST or HST charged either way, but they're taxed completely differently under Canada's Excise Tax Act, and mixing them up can cost your business thousands in lost input tax credits. Here's the difference, and a major CRA change you need to know about. Hello, I'm David Rotfleisch, a Canadian tax and business lawyer certified by the Law Society of Ontario as a specialist in taxation law. A zero-rated supply, like basic groceries, prescription drugs, or exported goods, is still officially taxable just at 0%. That means the business collects no GST or HST, but can still claim back the tax it paid on its own expenses as an input tax credit. An exempt supply is different. Long-term residential rent, most financial services, healthcare, these aren't taxable at all. No GST or HST is charged, but the business also can't recover the tax it paid on related expenses. That input tax credit is gone for good. There's actually a third category too. Out-of-scope transactions like paying wages or paying a dividend. Those aren't supplies at all, so GST/HST law never even applies to them. Here's a mechanic that trips people up. Revenue from zero-rated sales counts toward the $30,000 small supplier threshold that determines whether you have to register for GST/HST at all. Exempt and out-of-scope revenue doesn't. So a business can be collecting zero GST or HST and still be required to register just because of how its sales are classified. Getting this wrong is expensive. A business that miscodes zero-rated sales as exempt can lose tens of thousands of dollars in input tax credits permanently with no way to go back and fix it. And these categories aren't set in stone. In 2026, the CRA reversed decades of guidance on mutual fund trailing commissions, moving them from exempt to taxable I, though enforcement doesn't start until January 1st, 2028. If your business relies on an exempt classification, it's worth checking that the CRA still agrees with you. Our advice, don't guess. Get your GST and HST classifications reviewed by a professional Canadian tax lawyer before the CRA reviews them for you. Contact one of our Canadian tax lawyers at taxpage.com. We are here to help.